Hey, appreciate that you taking the time to take a look at this video today. We're looking at the SNE498. We're unboxing this baby. It's my first time seeing this critter. I've seen pictures of it online, but let's see it in person. Oh yeah, that's a nice Tuna style watch, and much smaller than the monster Tuna. So as you can see here, the watch is mostly black. I got a black silicone. Just some accents with the gold tone there. Makes it a real sharp looking watch. It's nice that Seiko made this watch have the gold tone to it. You know, a lot of the Seiko Dive watches are stainless, you know, rightfully so, but it's nice to have a little bit of variety. I think they were probably inspired by the success of the golden turtle. That's a beautiful watch, and here we got some gold in this Tuna can watch. The watch case itself measures 47 millimeters. Like the Patty counterpart of the Solar Tuna, it looks smaller, it feels smaller than the 47 millimeters. You know, I really like the black and gold of this watch. I know I keep mentioning it, but it's nice. They put just enough of that gold tone in there to really make it pop. It's not too much, too blingy. Maybe gold's not your thing and the golden tuna is a little too bright for you, a little too much going on. I personally love the golden tuna, but this one's a little more subtle, like you could see there with the crown, the nuts there, and the bezel, of course, gold. The nice silicone straps that Seiko's been doing lately, soft. And there you got the profile, really low profile, nice watch. Don't bang it up too much. You got the case also to protect it if you get a couple hits on it. There you've got the case back. Of course, it's a screw down case back, just like a screw down crown being a dive watch. 200 meters is the depth on this baby. And there you got the profile again. As much as I love the automatic watches, it's nice to have a couple solar choices, because you know, you might not have time to set it all the time. It's nice because solar kind of takes care of itself. The solar movement is a V157. That's kind of their go-to movement for solar watches for Seiko right now. Take some time here just to admire the watch, look at it. Very low profile for a dive watch, which is pretty nice. I think the lugs curving down really help it give you that low profile. And here you see it on my wrist. Another thing about the lugs, you see how they got the black ion plating on it? I really like that. That's a nice touch. In the Patty model, they left that kind of stainless there. It wasn't blue, but the black just gives it a little bit cleaner look. And here you go, you can see the lugs, you see the stainless I was telling you about on the Patty. Both watches, great watches. The black watch is simpler dial face, doesn't have those waves going on, just cleaner look overall. But both watches are great little solar watches. And let's take a look at this in the dark. Here we go. It's hard to appreciate the lume here, but it's a good lume in the watch. It's just the video not catching it. Thank you.